Welcome back. Here is an example. Y equals 1 over 2x plus 3. So y equals 1 over 2x plus 3. So that fraction tells me a small change in our approach. So we need points. So nothing new there. You need x coordinate, y coordinate, and the points. Okay. So at this point, usually we take any numbers here, any three different numbers, and that's okay. But because of this denominator, I make the following choice: -2, 0, and 2. So notice I have chosen those x values which will get cancelled by 2, which can be reduced by this 2. Okay? It's just a matter of choice. You are not required to choose these numbers. You can choose any x values and find y accordingly. So y equals fraction 1 over 2. Wherever I see x, I place empty parentheses plus 3. Those parentheses are to be filled with x value. So 2 reduces the 2 and there is a negative, so -1 plus 3. That's as good as 3 minus 1, which is a 2, equals. When x is 0, fraction 1 over 2, where I see x, I place parenthesis plus 3. In place of empty parentheses, I place a 0. So half times 0 is 0 plus 3, that's a 3 here, equals, it's a fraction 1 over 2. Where I see x, I replace it by parentheses plus 3. What goes inside the parentheses? 2, because that's the x value. So notice 2 reduces to 1s. So 1 plus 3, that's a 4. So now you have your points. X coordinate is -2, y coordinate is 2. Here, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. Here, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 4. Alright, so once you have these, you are ready to graph -2, 0, 3, and 2, 4. So let's get our axes. Alright, so x coordinate is -2, y coordinate is 2. Okay, so let me get x coordinate, y coordinate. The first point is x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is +2. Okay, so -2 and height +2. The next point is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my second point. The third point is 2, 4. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate goes until 4. So this with this gives me this point. So these are the 3 points. Let's get their coordinates written out. -2, 2. 0, 3, 2, 4. And the line joining these 3 points. Okay, so It's as simple as that. So when you have a fractional coefficient, don't worry, choose x's just appropriately so that you can calculate easily. Okay, so let's try one more example. There, 1/3 x. So this is exercise 3.7. Okay, you want to graph y equals fraction 1/3 x minus 1. All right, so first we'll look for points. So you need x coordinate, y coordinate, and points. X coordinate, because that's a 3, I will just take some multiples of 3. So -3, 0, +3. Okay, just so that 3 will reduce it. Y coordinate is 1/3 whatever is x coordinate minus 1. So x is replaced by parenthesis, then fill in with -3. So 3 reduces the 3 and you're left with -1. -1 minus 1 is -2. Likewise, the next one, 1/3 x minus 1. What is x? 0. So 0 times anything is 0, minus 1, that's -1. Next, 1/3 x minus 1. What is x? 3. 3 reduces the 3 and you're left with 1 minus 1, that's a 0. So what are the points here? X coordinate is -3, y coordinate is -2. What is the point here? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is -1. What is the point here? X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0. All right. Upon coming here, you now have a graphing area, -3, -2. All right. You have your x and y axis. Let's write those down. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. The first point is -3, -2. So on the x-coordinate, -3. On the y-coordinate, -2. If these are equally spaced, then your line will be clearly drawn. Okay, that's your point. Okay. The second point is 0, -1. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is -1. That's your second point. The third point is 3, 0. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. So you are not going up or down. You just stay put there. So those are the 3 points which give you a well-defined line. All right. So let's name the points carefully. So this point is x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is -2. All right. Next. This point is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is -1. This point is x coordinate is 3, y coordinate, you are not going up and down, so y coordinate is 0. That's your line. Okay, let's try one more exercise. y equals 1/4 x. So this is exercise 3.8. Y equals 1/4 x plus 2. Okay, so we'll plot a few points. To plot a few points, we need a table. X coordinate, y coordinate, and points. For x coordinate, notice the denominator is a 4, so I will take multiples of 4. Alright, -4, 0, 4. What happens to y coordinate? It is fraction 1/4 x coordinate plus 2. Okay, where I see x, I place parenthesis and plug in the x value, -4. So that is -1 plus 2, that is a 1. Here, fraction 1/4 x coordinate is 0 plus 2. 0 times anything is 0 plus 2 is a 2. This is equals fraction 1/4 4 plus 2. They reduce and you get 1 plus 2, that's a 3. So what are the points? X coordinate is -4, y coordinate is 1. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 3. Now we are ready to graph these 3 points. Get your x and y axis. Alright, and okay, the first point is -4, 1. So on the x-axis, you are -4, and on the y-axis, you are at height 1. So this combined with this is here. 0, 2. On the x-axis, you are at 0. On the y-axis, you are at 2. 4, 3. On the x-axis, you are 4. On the y-axis, you are at 3. So that's your third point. You're ready to draw the line. Okay. And let's name the points. This one is x coordinate -4, y coordinate 1. This one is x coordinate 0, y coordinate 2. And this one is x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 3. And that's it. Okay, we'll continue in our next video.